Today, we're going to show you how to transfer Garmin Navionics Vision Plus features like high-resolution relief shading to a compatible Garmin Chartplotter using the ActiveCaptain app. High-resolution relief shading and other features of Garmin Navionics Vision Plus must be downloaded to a smartphone or tablet on the ActiveCaptain app, then transferred to a compatible Garmin device with an ActiveCaptain card installed. For this process, we will be using an iPhone and GPS map, but the process is similar on Android devices and EchoMap chart plotters. First, download the charts to your compatible smartphone. Open the ActiveCaptain app on the smart device, select Chart at the bottom. Select Menu in the top right. Then, select Download Charts. A map with a blue rectangle will appear on the next screen. Inside the blue rectangle will be the download area that can be adjusted. Adjust the area by zooming in and out using 2 fingers on the map screen. The blue rectangle can also be adjusted by pulling a corner of the blue rectangle. Select Download at the bottom once the blue rectangle has been adjusted. Highlighted areas show the section that has been downloaded. Grayed out areas are sections that have not been downloaded. Continue to download more sections of the map if needed. The charts have now been downloaded to the compatible smartphone. We are ready to transfer to the Garmin Chartplotter. Select Vessel from the home screen. Then, select the ActiveCaptain icon. An ActiveCaptain card will be needed to transfer charts to the Chartplotter. Please follow the on-screen link if we have not created an ActiveCaptain card for the device. An ActiveCaptain card will be needed to transfer charts to the Chartplotter. Now, we will connect your mobile device to the Chartplotter's Wi-Fi. To learn more about how to set up the Chartplotter's Wi-Fi, follow the on-screen link. Swipe out of the app and go to your Wi-Fi settings on your compatible smartphone. Find and select the Chartplotter's Wi-Fi network. Enter the password for the Chartplotter's Wi-Fi network if you are connecting for the first time. Select Join. It is normal for a No Internet Connection message to display. Swipe out of Settings, go back into the ActiveCaptain app. Select Boat Apps in the bottom left. The Chartplotter will now scan the smart device for any information to be transferred to the Chartplotter. After scanning, charts will automatically transfer to the Chartplotter as Transferring Charts under Sync with Plotter. We can track the progress of the chart transfer by selecting one chart on the ActiveCaptain screen. Once the transfer is complete, check the Chartplotter's charts. There will be a new icon for high-resolution relief shading. This will show as Relief Shading under Charts. Features from your Garmin Navionics Vision Plus subscription are now transferred to the Chartplotter. Charts downloaded will be updated daily when logged into the ActiveCaptain app. To transfer updated charts, connect your Chartplotter's Wi-Fi and follow the instructions earlier in the video on transferring charts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit marinesupport.garmin.com.